Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Stephanie. Y'all, it is time for Macy's Beauty Box. I have it here. So this is less than $20 a month. I would consider this box very similar to probably the Ipsy base bag, except you don't necessarily get a bag every month. We have gotten bags in the past, but you're not going to get a bag every month like you do with the Ipsy base bag. Also, like, very similar to Allure, a lot of sample size products in here, but it's less than $20 a month. Okay, so this is what it comes, how it comes. I already kind of peeled it open. It's a little sticky yet, but this is what it looks like. And this is how they bundle it. You always get a little card. So let's see what they got here. Usually you get a discount. Spring into perfect picks. Scan the QR code to learn all about each product's ingredients, benefits, application, and more right from your phone. And there's a code here. It's $10 off your next $40 or more beauty purchase from Macy's in-store or online. The 26th of March through the 26th of June. I do not expect to anticipate needing to use this. So if you want to screenshot it first person to use it, go right ahead. That's what it is. Sorry for the shaky hands. Apologies, guys. I literally was just out like doing some shoveling, got home from work. This was in the post office when I picked it up on the way home. I wanted to make sure I grabbed it and gave it to you guys. I'm behind on making videos. Been a little under the weather. I've talked about it before. I've got a pretty significant infection going on in my jaw. They don't really know exactly where, but I think it's lymph nodes. I don't know. But I got on some pretty heavy antibiotics, and I'm feeling like I'm like seeing the light at the end of the tunnel and coming out. I can actually talk. I can actually sort of eat. And I went back to work on Tuesday. I couldn't go into work on Monday. I was way too sick, but so I feel like I'm coming through it. So apologies, guys. I am behind on some videos. This one came through today. I just thought I'd make it. So let's get into this little bundle. I hope there's a couple of fragrance samples in here, but you never know. Sometimes there are, sometimes there aren't. You know, it's cute how they kind of origami wrapped it up. That's awesome. Always in that pink tissue, so you always know it's Macy's. So you guys know if you ever win one of my Mask Monday video giveaways, if you got the pink tissue, you know it originated here from this. All right, here we go. Ooh, one of my favorite brands of sheet masks. This is the Tony Moly's I'm Rose sheet mask. That's awesome. Love these. In fact, I have an unboxing to do with you guys. I went to TJ Maxx recently, so that's a little hint, but this is awesome. Love these. These are great sheet masks. I'm not a huge fan of rose smells, but whatever. This one is good for 20 to 30 minutes, so that's great. That right off the bat is really great. Okay, next product, from Lancome is, I can't say it. It's the Lash Idole. Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. It's definitely what I would call a sample size. It's 2.5 milliliters. Maybe this is full size. I don't know. I mean, the packaging is lovely, but wow, that would be hard pressed for something that small. I mean, it's a nice size. Not gonna complain. It's not bad, but that would be what I would call like a sample size mascara. Get a pry bar tool here. Let's take a look at it. So there you go. I mean, I've gotten like eyelash glue in this size, but not necessarily a mascara unless it's been sampled. But I'm not going to complain, you guys. That's what you get in this box, and Lancome is a wonderful brand, so I'm excited to try that. It says 94% instant volume, 95% instant lift, 95% fanned out lashes, and 90% clump-free lashes. So, yep, that's cool. I'll try that for sure. Remember, guys, you can use your mascara 3 months and then you need to pitch it because it's getting full of bacteria. So, I mean, that's one nice thing about a smaller product like that. Something here that looks really grabbing my attention. This is a blush. Magenta Magic. A matte glow. All over, yep, face blush color. Who is the manufacturer? I guess it's Magic... Magenta Magic must be the brand. It's the packaging, guys, is not Not helpful. There's literally like nothing on there. This is what the bottom says. So, and then there's this little, turn it this way so you can read it. That little thing there. So I believe this would be a cream blush. Oh, very interesting. So you dial it up just like a lipstick. That's what it looks like. It's very interesting. I'd like to swatch it, but I don't think I'll keep this, so I don't want to swatch it. That's cute. Okay, and we have a little Truly sample size. This is Yves Saint Laurent New Glow in Balm. Okay, interesting. Ooh, 0.05 fluid ounces or 1.5 milliliters. Yves Saint Laurent. Does it say anything else? Just the ingredients. Discover more. There's a little QR code. So this is what it looks like. Truly a sample. I don't know. Glow in Balm. Okay, cool. Ooh, we definitely do have some fragrances. I'm excited. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, lip balm. Okay, from Tarte. Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. High performance. Nice. Definitely another sample size. I do see the leaping bunny on the back, so it's cruelty-free. Okay, the color is rose. And yeah, I mean, you guys, we get bigger full-size products in boxes from Tarte, you know. So this is a little, I think this is a little chintzy on the, you know, the Macy's side of things, because yeah, it's, you know, about 15 bucks or whatever, but come on. It's a really pretty color. Honestly, though, this size is perfect to like having a little, you know, like if you got going out on dinner and you have just a little clutch or something, this fits really nice. That's really pretty. It is really pretty. It's a shame it's kind of small, but that's okay. That's okay. That's this thing. The before and after pictures are very interesting. Kind of pretty. Color is, again, rose. Okay, these look like hair clips. Little facial pads, and then let me show you the back. I don't know, I'm confused. This is where if I wasn't recording on my phone, I would be like scanning that QR code to find out more information. Pretty cute. Got the little spots for your fingers to go in. I don't know. I'm guessing it's like a twofer because they don't seem to be connected. Tie your hair back with these cute little, and then you can use these puffs for like washing your face or applying a product. That's my guess. I don't know. 2 fragrance samples, I think. Oh, wait. I don't think this is fragrance. MAC Stack Mascara. It's a mascara. Super Stack Mega Brush Mascara from MAC. Okay. 2 mascaras this month. Again, sample size. This is obviously sample size because of the product like packaging it's in. So you can kind of see why I'm like this, even though this is in a box, like what you would think of a retail box, this is definitely, they're both sample sizes. So that's awesome. 2 different mascaras to try this month. So they say infinite build, volume, and length mascara. 95% saw gravity-defying volume, lift, and length. Super Stack Mega Brush for instant volume. Let's see what else they say. Petal-shaped bristles hug and coat lashes from roots to tip, which is kind of what it says on this side here. So that's cool. The artist's tip is to customize from natural to next level. Keep stacking for limitless volume and length. So they're basically telling you to apply some layers. All right, 2 mascaras. This is definitely a fragrance. Viktor & Rolof's Flower Bomb Tiger Lily. I know a lot of people love Viktor & Rolof's fragrances. I've not found one yet that I like. So I'm hesitant to try this, although it just popped right back out. It's only, you guys, it's full to here. So this itty bitty little sample atomizer is only like not quite 2/3 full. It's just barely over half. I have perfume on, so we're gonna grab little post-it note to spray. I already have perfume on. I don't need to be mixing them. Interesting. It really builds into something quite different. They're showing lilies on there. I like the scent, but I don't think I could wear it myself. But I think it's quite pleasant. So that's again what it looks like. I don't see me wearing this ever, but it's not a bad scent. So, okay, cool. I'll probably give that to somebody. Even though it's like half full. All right, that's it, guys. Empty. Got the pretty pink tissue paper. I don't like wasting things. I'll just fold that up. I can use that to wrap up something to give away. Get rid of that. So we've got the MAC stack. That one. And then we've got from Lancome this lash, the Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. So 2 mascaras. This, which like I said, I think you could use for honestly cleansing or applying, you know, some sort of product. And then I think these are really meant to kind of hold your hair back when you're applying your skin products to your face, any face products, even like, you know, moisturizers, foundation, whatever. So we got that as well, the fragrance. This blush stick is interesting. Disappointing packaging. I mean, there's like nothing on it to tell you even who the brand is. I think that's a fail on the brand's part because it had me scratching my head going, I don't know what this is. Tarte, I think Tarte could have provided like a larger, more full-size product for this box. I know they absolutely do for Boxy, Ipsy, all the others, whatever. There's this little Yves Saint Laurent like glow-in balm. Not entirely convinced I know what that is, but you know, it's some sort of nice little balm. And then you guys, never unhappy to get those. Love the Tony Molies. You can usually get 2 uses out of these. Feels really nice. There's an expiration on them, so you're good to go on that. Okay, so under $20, 15 bucks a month. What do you think? 16 bucks a month, I think. I can't remember. It'll be down in the description. It's fun. I have to say for the duration of getting this, which is just under a year, I believe. Some real good boxes and some real miss boxes for me. Maybe I've been getting it over a year. I don't remember now, but there are some months where I'm like, I don't understand why they put together the box they put together, but I like getting stuff to try. Definitely. There's, especially the higher end products, being able to try them. It's not something I would go out and want to spend a lot of money on a product that I never got a chance to try ahead of time. Like Lancome is a higher end. I wouldn't want to go out and spend like $30 or $40 on a mascara I've never tried. So this is why I really do like Macy's is going to give you some of these higher end products that you're going to find in the department stores, like in Macy's. So that's nice. Tarte, not really, you know. MAC, not hard to find either. But, you know, definitely the YSLs and the Lancomes, really great. So this doesn't have any branding on it. So I don't, again, I'm confused why brands put these kinds of things in these boxes and there's literally like 0 information on them. There's like a little piece of paper on here, but that's only to keep these cute little hair clips together. They're moving independently of these little applicators. So let me know your thoughts, y'all. I appreciate your time so much. Like I said, I'm still recovering. I'm getting to the point where I've been talking long enough, my jaw hurts. So this is good timing for me to call it quits. I'm still kind of swollen, actually a lot swollen, but I don't look as ridiculous as I looked a few days ago. Y'all saw me for Mask Monday. That Monday night, it was a rough video to make, but you know, do appreciate for sure modern medicine when you need it. So let me know your thoughts on this box, you guys. And, you know, do you get it? Do you get it? Or are you considering getting it? Did you get it and you aren't getting it anymore? I get that too. There has been some months, like I said, I really didn't like the box. So, and sometimes I really do. But have a good one, y'all. I appreciate you so much. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, everybody.